How to turn off location on Instagram. First, open up Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now, you have to scroll down a bit. You will find the section of Your App and Media. Here, tap on Device Permissions. You can find different options such as camera, contacts, and on the third one, you will find location services. Tap on that. As you can see, it is currently allowed. If you want to turn off location, tap on Update Device Settings option. Now tap on Open Device Settings. Here, tap on Permissions. Now find location and tap on that. Go ahead and select Don't Allow option. Once that is done, head back. Now, if you head back to the settings, you can see that location services is not allowed, and in this way you can turn off location on Instagram. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.